Warning, graphic pest control. Do not watch if you might be offended. Just like to thank Mr. T's for all my branded clothing. Please find all links in the description. Hello guys, welcome back to AM Bushcraft and Hunting. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for clicking on another video. Before I get into the video, if you can please like, subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share this on as many platforms as you possibly can. Well guys, so I hope you're all well. Thank you for joining me on another video. But before we go anywhere, I just want to say a massive thanks. I've written on some paper because the old age is kicking in and I forget terrible. On the last video I did mention there was a love heart now, and it's a super thanks. It's where people can donate to the channel by hitting the little button, and then you could donate something like $2 and it goes up. Well, I wasn't expecting nothing but a few of you amazing people donated to the channel, and I can't thank you enough. It helped purchase a new silencer for one of the guns, so I'm really pleased with that because it was something I needed to put on the gun, and that money helped towards it, so thank you very much guys. Just to let you know as well, that for all the new subscribers and stuff, that first super thanks is on all my old videos, so if you do go back through the back catalogue and watch a few and you think it's worthy of a donation, just hit that button, and as I said, every donation that comes in, it goes straight back into the channel, either buying pellets, silencers or filming gear, lighting, so it will always go back into the YouTube videos. So first off, in no order whatsoever, but I want to say a massive thank you to Ralph Taylor, Lancashire Vermin Control. Mate, I know you're in a hospital at the moment. Thank you so much for the donation. Please get recovering quite quick and get back out to making them videos, mate. I'll leave a link to his YouTube in the description. Arthur Mao, thank you. Alan Mullock, Robert Bradfield, and last but certainly not least, my brother from over the pond, Dan Hill. Thank you very much for everybody who donated to the channel. And as I said, it went towards a new silencer. So guys, you can see this is a ratting video. Sit back, relax, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll catch you at the end. As you will notice on this first shot, the contrast was all off on the sight mark wraith, but it soon clears up when I adjust the settings. As you're about to see, there is many rats down the side of this wall, and God, do I hit 'em hard. I can only see his eye. Got him. Solid shot. Oof. Lights out. Nice close one, 10 yards. This is the last shot of the evening. It didn't half whack him. Lights out for that one. Guys, thank you for watching. I do really appreciate it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. There were some fantastic shots from Dean. I'm really enjoying the Rapid and the Wraith combo. And as always, Dean's HW100 and the pad just works flawlessly. The pad, in my opinion, is one of the best on the market, even though it's one of the cheapest, but it works so well. I've got the Wolf the Rain M2 back. A video will follow towards the midweek of me showing you what I've done, how I've set it up, and what's on the gun. But as most of us need, guys, we need you to press the subscribe button, the thumbs up button, and that little dingly bell, because the last video didn't get monetized. YouTube found it wasn't ready, but the donations from you guys really helped. So thank you guys. Until the next time, please stay safe. AM Bushcraft out there. Oh yeah, might have a new gun. Catch you on the next video.